Alrighty guys, we are live at 9:19 doing a 3-winner giveaway by Troy. You can see some of the slick prizes down there. I got 98 spots. We'll take another look at what the prizes are up here at the top. Copy here, excuse me. Good morning, Guard, Klaatu, and Lobot. Looked like we had 98 spots. I'm going to paste in here. We do have 98 entries that you can see all the way up. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 4, which is insufficient. 6. So we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. 6 rounds. We're going to get right down to business. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Steven takes round 1, followed by Wolfgang. Adam, Michael, and Ian. Nathan, Chris, and Matthew, round 3. Michael, Wolfgang, and Adam, round 4. Ron, Matthew, and Tyler in the top 3 spots for our next to last round, round 5. Bringing us to the last round. Good luck, everybody. And our winners are Ryan and Christopher. Congratulations, guys. Christopher in there in the 2nd and 3rd spots. Here's the verification code. Make things official. VLC BVB is the verification code. Ryan, followed by Christopher twice, are our victors. I am done at 9:21. As you can see here. One last time, here's the verification code. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.